Good day. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Laura White, and I will be sharing our vision for the future with a product we call SafeWatch. We are a military family. That means a lot of transitions and changes that are part of this family package. Last summer, during our most recent move, I and our children had relocated to the Pacific Northwest to get them settled and registered in school while my husband remained in the Midwest to finish his time at our last base till he could transition to his new job. There was some finishing work that required my presence back at the old base to finish moving all our belongings and get out of the old house. My parents stayed with the children for 10 days while I was gone. John, our youngest, had made new friends quickly in our new neighborhood. After school one day, he told his big brother that he was going over to a new friend's house 1 block over. What John failed to notice was that his big brother didn't hear him as he had his headphones in listening to music. An hour later, my mom was panicked that John was lost or taken and called 911. Thankfully, John was found quickly, but not without embarrassment and frustration all the way around the family and through some of our new neighbors. I pondered on this experience and several other safety concerns that had plagued my head and heart for a couple of days. The more I considered my options, the more often I came to the conclusion there has to be a way to harness technology without adding another device I need to police or worry about content that isn't age appropriate to solve my problem. And thus, the idea for SafeWatch was born. Parents face challenges just like mine while raising children in the 21st century. Some of those challenges are new and some of them are not. However, children's needs have not changed. Children require physical protection, safety, and regulation in order to grow, learn, and flourish. Our goal at SafeWatch, LLC is to put technology to work to give parents more tools to help them keep all those needs met with ease. Our mission is to create wearable technology that helps children learn to tell time, learn time management, as well as keep them connected to their parents while keeping track of those same children when they are uncomfortable or in an unsafe situation. We want our product to allow parents the opportunity to give their young children some freedom in new situations and know they will be comfortable and safe in the knowledge that they can contact their parents with one touch. During the interview process, it became clear that I shared the same concerns and problems with many other parents. Fears of losing children at a busy store or at an outdoor event like a 4th of July fireworks celebration sounded similar to when John was missing this past summer. Wanting a way to use technology to solve these problems without worrying about age-appropriate content, on top of not adding another screen to monitor, was important to all the parents I interviewed. They immediately became excited about the prospect of a product with many of the features we were discussing. However, we also discovered that our MVP had features that potential customers didn't see value in. The 2 features that truly got people's attention were the GPS tracking ability and the phone connectivity through a watch. When we first started talking about alarms, more interest was shown in a way to help children learn to keep track of time. Eventually, we pivoted and added a time management application. It immediately became very popular. The feature that was dropped was the steps counter and heart rate monitor. It just didn't seem to resonate with our target markets. Our first idea for the minimum viable product was too complicated. The features most wanted were a clock, GPS locator to find your child, pre-programmed phone capabilities, and the alarms in the proposed time management app. Everything else was non-essential. While the heart rate monitor seemed like a great idea in the first place, it wasn't a solution the parents we spoke with were yearning for. All 3 target markets were showing favorable responses to the value proposition once we pivoted by subtracting 2 features and expanding another. Active duty military parents and single parents were especially receptive to the GPS location abilities, while all 3 were excited about the phone capabilities and the time management application. There were quite a few similarities in wants and needs when the empathy maps were made. Although the single parents and active duty military parents were more excited about the GPS and phone capabilities. All three target markets were excited about the value they saw in the time management application. Wearable technology is an emerging market. The growth rates are extremely promising. Getting in now would allow a company to position themselves as a leader in the wearable technology for children. Finding the right niche and filling it well will be extremely profitable. As you can see, the wearable technology industry is expecting the market to double by 2021. That's just 2 years. Clever marketing doesn't have to cost a lot. There are ways of getting traction that can be free as well as paid for. Leveraging Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and Google Ads could easily bring a lot of customers to our virtual doors. Sharing product with bloggers, having prizes for the best story of our product saving the day monthly on our Facebook page could all be part of our Get, Keep, and Grow viral loop. Getting on technology blog lists by giving free product to them to test and blog about, like Safety.com's top 40 wearable tech for kids, would be incredibly productive as well. Here's a visual map of our distribution channel. We are seeking the seed money that would allow us to finish our prototype, build our website, and begin production by early of summer 2019. Partnerships can make or break a company, especially a startup. Leveraging use of key partnerships will be as important as building our customer relationships to keep SafeWatch LLC profitable. The top 3 key activities that will help SafeWatch succeed will be: first, having a beautiful and effective website to come to. It must be easily found, easily navigated, and quickly answer any questions potential customers may ask. Second, ensuring easy setup of the product. The other products out on the market that are relatively similar are reported to be extremely difficult to set up and glitchy. Avoiding that problem gives us an advantage over potential competition and keeps our customers happy and satisfied. Third, ensuring a 40 to 50% profit margin will ensure profitability for the company. If we can't make a profit, we won't stay in business. There is a lot of potential for profit if the costs are kept low. Key partners overseas and streamlining production will help with that initially. Watching to keep overhead low will also be an essential part of our success. The potential for incredible revenue is out there. The industry projections are good, and the public is looking for problems to be solved as proven in our customer interviews. Ensuring that SafeWatch has multiple revenue streams will be a key component of our profitability. At only 0.5% of the market share in the industry, it would be estimated that 625 units would be how much we sell to reach that percentage. At our current estimates, that would equal $41,311,777.53 in revenue. That's a lot of money waiting to be made. The first 3 metrics that matter show how SafeWatch LLC is at the beginning of a wave that is about to expand. This is the time to get this business going. The public is waiting for their problems to be solved. The 4th and 5th metrics that matter will help SafeWatch be successful because it will be profitable. The key insights gleaned from customer interviews were numerous. The essential outcomes helped us decide to lose the heart rate monitor, add a subscription fee for the full customizable time management app, and ensure the setup for the SafeWatch was easy and user-friendly. Those iterations and pivots gleaned from our customer interviews will be keys to our future success and retention of customers. There are many unmet needs in the realm of safety for young children in parents' lives today. The SafeWatch will be able to meet those needs with ease. Also, we will be a unique product filling a new niche. There are no Me Too products out there in the marketplace exactly like the SafeWatch. We are excited to get started in the Puyallup, Washington area. Securing space and small business help will be part of our 5-year plan. There will be challenges for SafeWatch to overcome. It is that way for all startups. However, we feel we are poised to meet those challenges head on and succeed. Parents seeking solutions to the safety problems with their young children. They are yearning for a product like SafeWatch to help them allow their children some freedom in the new situations without compromising their safety. This is where we started when we first began talking with people about the idea of a SafeWatch. Here is where we've come to. The SafeWatch will truly fill the unmet need of many parents going forward. We are excited to have been allowed to share our vision of the potential SafeWatch will have in the marketplace. Thank you for your time.